This is a quick walkthrough on how to use the Hantek DSO5202P International Model companion software. Okay, let's get started. We have digital scope already open, and as you can see, our oscilloscope is connected. And now I just pulled the USB out, and you can reconnect it, and then click on the white tab to select the different menu options, and we pulled up XY, and then we press play, and there's our waveform. Okay, so I just want to show you some quick features with this software, and we can go down and get a waveform measurement, and this will show us all of the settings that are actually on our oscilloscope, and we can capture this and do a CSV file. Oop, I didn't mean to open that. And another cool feature I wanted to show you is the bus analyzer, and you can actually analyze SPI and I2C buses with this setup. Maybe I'll make a later video about actually using this, but for now I just wanted to show this. I thought this was pretty cool, and here you can select your different bus protocols and other settings. Okay, so here you can see you can acquire the data directly from the oscilloscope, and I'm just going to pull up our waveform, and you can see it's changing right there. We can change it on the oscilloscope, and it'll change on the screen. As it has a little bit of a lag though. And we're just gonna go in here and select waveform tabular. So that's I don't want to do that. Just say waveform tabular, and we click OK, and then you hit play, and then you can stop, and now we can export it as a CSV file. And I'm just going to type in sample file, or actually I think we'll call it sample, yeah, and we'll save it to the desktop. Okay, so now we have the Excel open, and I'm just going to go down and select all the data points. And once we select all the data points, there's a lot, as you can see. We're going to go ahead and we're going to insert a graph, and I like the XY continuous line charts like this. I'm going to kind of adjust it a little bit here. Oop, didn't want to do that. Okay, and so now I'm just going to cut this graph and then paste it up at the top. So scroll to the top, and then we'll just paste it in there, and there it is.